What is going on? This is Black Apino, the Apple guy, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of some GoPro stuff that I got for my GoPro. If you follow my last few videos, actually it was a video prior to the one I did for the NV filter, you know that I got a mic for my GoPro. Unfortunately, the mic by itself will not work with the GoPro. You need the adapter as well as a case for the GoPro to fit in to put the mic on, and as you can see, I ordered from Amazon. So we're gonna get right into it, and I'm gonna show you exactly what it was that I picked. And actually, I'm just gonna use my box knife because, well, it's easier to do that. So we're just going to cut right into it. And that is the mic that you need. So basically what this does is it allows you to use an external mic if you want to use a better mic than the one that comes equipped with the GoPro itself. As you can see, this one is made by Rode, but you need a external mic in order to plug into it. And not only do you need that, but you are also going to need what is known as a protective alloy case. As you can see, it's got a little piece right here on the top that allows you to add a external mic to this. It's kind of like a protective shell, kind of like similar to the one that comes with the GoPro, as you can see. So we are going to bust this open, and then we're going to see what it looks like with the GoPro in it. So this is my Hero. For those of you who have were watching my other previous videos, I did a comparison between the Hero and the 5, then the Hero and the Session 5, which was the one that this preceded. So we're going to take this out of the film case, or out of the frame as it's called, and we're going to pop this open. This is an aluminum alloy, so it's basically, I believe, metal of some. It's metal. It's not going to be plastic. So as you can see, it's kind of cool. It comes in its own little protective case, which I think is kind of pretty cool. And oh, cool! Comes with a filter. As you can see, it's a 52mm filter. You still can use the NV filters on these as well. It seems like it looks like it would fit, and it looks like that just slaps off on that, so it's kind of like a protective case. So it's a little piece that you click right there. That's kind of cool. And then again, you've got your middle piece right there that you use to stick the camera on, and it looks like we got ourselves, looks like a lanyard and some GoPro pieces. This looks like, and some screws. So it looks like it's going to slide into this, is what it looks like. So we got a little GoPro piece right here, which is basically what would go into this somehow. It would imagine, oh, it screws in. So that would go like that, as you can see, and then you would just screw that in with the 2 screws. So obviously you need a flathead for that, and then you've got this piece right here, which I'm not exactly sure what that does yet. So we're going to take this out, and it looks like we have a piece right here that just slides up. I don't know if it slides out, probably does not. So, oh, it does. So it does slide out, and it looks like this just fits into there, and then this slides back into these little grooves right here, and oh, maybe I got it backwards, probably. So it looks like it goes in somehow, but it's got the little 2 grooves on the side, so it looks like you just slide them into this. This is interesting. Oh, okay. That's how it goes. Okay, here we go. Well, it's going to take a bit. This is my first time actually ever using an aluminum case, so I'm assuming that it slides into the groove somehow without touching the, oh, there we go. So that's how it works. But it looks like it has to fit in the grooves in order for it to actually stay, which is kind of weird because it's going into the grooves. But oh, okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, it takes a little bit of getting used to. So that is how that works. And then basically what you do with the mic adapter is there's no way for you to stick it on there and the mic at the same time. So that's why you buy an aluminum case, and you basically would just pop this open like this, and then what you would do, these are $49.99 if you buy it from anywhere, because that's GoPro, so you're not going to be able to find an alternative to it. That's just the wraps of having a GoPro, is that there's still third-party vendors for a lot of things, but some things are just specifically need to be GoPro itself. So we're just going to pop this open really quick, and then I'm going to show you how this connects to that. And then we might try the mic, might not, I don't know. Haven't really figured out how the mic piece goes on yet because I haven't actually opened it yet. So, well, okay, so this is the piece right here. It's just a simple HDMI or USB-C, and what it does is you take this, you connect it to the charging port, because basically you charge your GoPro with the USB-C charger. You just take this, you stick it into that, and then somehow manage to, mic would go into there. So you'd have to either rig something to keep that from moving around, or you'd have to pretty much jerry rig something to order for that to work. And so I haven't really figured out that part yet. So, but that is technically what you would use, and that's how you would use it when you are going to buy an external mic and you want to use it, because as you can see,